Today is Tuesday, so you know what that means. It's our segment, 2 Trades in 2 Minutes, where I share with you 2 of my favorite stock setups you can buy right now. Now, I put this out every single week, so if you haven't already, click that subscribe button down over here in the corner. That way, these will pop up in your feed, or you can even hit the little bell, I think, and it'll notify you. I don't know. I'm not a YouTube expert. But let's dive over to the charts, and we'll get in with our first pick. And I got 2 minutes here on the timer. Let's see what we can do. All right, the first pick, Fortune Brands, FBIN. I've laid out here in yellow the pattern I'm seeing. And you might be wondering, why is Ross buying a stock coming off the lows? It's exactly what he tells us not to do. Well, that is true, typically. But one of the things we like to do is watch which areas of the market are leading. In other words, where is the money flowing into? And for the last several months, it's been nuclear. It's been crypto. It's been AI and metals, and we're seeing a new group here begin to pop up. And if we look at the 1 and 2 month lists, you'll notice here, let me change that to black. Too much on the screen. Here we go. You'll notice here building products and home builders both showing up in top performers. We also have home builders and building products in a 2 month list. So I like to stay on top of new areas of the market that are showing strength and could be soon leading. And a run through the construction sector, this is pretty much the best looking stock. Now this is Fortune Brands, and these are their brands: Moen, House of Roll, Fiberon, Masterlock, SentrySafe, all the stuff used in building a house. And as you can see, we have a nice little consolidation, a turnaround story taking place in FBIN. It is breaking out now at $57 a share. You could put a stop loss just down here beneath the swing low at about 53.5. Keep your risk tight at 6% and look for a move up here into the mid-70s. Now, the other stock I want to look at is going to be in the nuclear space. This is the leading area of the market. In fact, if we look at the nuclear ETF, you can see this thing pulled back into market weakness last week and has just rip-roared back up into the highs this week. So that's a sign of big strength. You can kind of take your pick here. OKLO breaking into new highs, looking good. UEC coming out of a breakout here, looking good. One I'd probably focus on is this Denison Mines, ticker DNN. And as you can see, didn't make the 2 minutes. What's new? I want to get this one day. But it comes in here, nice little consolidation. It's got a relative strength rating of about 89, putting in the top 11 percentile. And what I like that it did here, notice this area about 220. Okay, I'll draw a horizontal line straight across. And see how we had some supply from here. So it's top, it couldn't get through, top, it couldn't get through. We break out, runs right to that area again. Perfect bounce off the breakout area, and it's just ripping back higher. Odds are this thing will be up 240, 250, and on to new all-time highs over the next couple of weeks. So DNN, Denison Mine, nice, cheap little $2 nuclear stock, could be a big mover. It's in the right area. It's the right size. It's in a good bull market. What else can you ask for? So those are 2 trades in 2 minutes, which always turns into 4 or 5 minutes, but I do my best. So again, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there in the corner. That way these will show up in your feed if you've not already. And if you got a stock you're going to look at or you have feedback on these, please feel free to fire away in the comments. This stuff pops up on my cell phone. I'll see it. I try my best to respond to every comment, and I'm happy to do so for you guys.